Good morning, my dear students. Students, from our previous class, we started our fifth unit, drawing shapes. And in our early classes, we learned how to draw rectangles and what are the properties of rectangles. Once again, I am repeating the same thing because in this session, we are dealing with perimeter. What is a perimeter of a specific figure? If you know that this is in the rectangle shape, this is a notebook. The shape of this notebook is rectangle. Look here, this is the opposite sides. Okay, opposite, the length of these opposite sides should be equal for a rectangle. Okay, and this is also another sides. If we consider it's a breadth, the length of this breadth is also equal. Okay, we learned that for a rectangle, the properties of a rectangle, opposite side should be equal, and the perpendicular line, there should be a perpendicular line, and there should be four corners. Okay, these are the specific properties of a rectangle. In this class, we are dealing with perimeter. I already mentioned what's perimeter. If we want to find out the perimeter of a specific shape, whether it is a rectangle or a square, if we want to find out the perimeter of this figure, just add the all sides of this figure. Okay, if it is 10 and it is 5, 10 plus 10, 20. We know that opposite sides are equal. Then it's 5 here. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. 30 is the perimeter of this rectangle. Okay, if a triangle, if we want to find out the area, a perimeter of a triangle. If it is triangle, we know that it's a set square. If we want to find out the perimeter of a triangle, just add these three sides. We get the perimeter of this particular triangle. Okay, well, whatever the shapes, whatever the geometrical shapes, if we needed to find out the perimeter, just add those sides. If it is a three-sided figure, just add three sides. Okay, if it is a six-sided figure, just add the measures of all the six sides. This is the concept of perimeter. And for a square, the shortest method for finding the perimeter of a square, 4 into 1 side, because for a square all sides are equal. So in order to add 4 sides, instead of this we can add or we can multiply 4 into 1 side. If a square is of length 10 centimeter, we want to find out the perimeter. 4 into 10, 40. 40 is the perimeter. Okay, this is the basic concept regarding perimeter. First question, Kuttappan. This is a picture of a paddy field. Okay, Kuttappan's paddy field is this. In his all day, he walked around his paddy field. You can note that the paddy field is in the shape of a rectangle and its sides are given there. How to find the perimeter of this? Just add these 4 sides. What are the measures there? 80 and 50, isn't it? Then add 80 plus 80 plus 50 plus 50. What should be the answer for us? If we add these 4 sides, we get the perimeter as 260. Here we want to express this in meter. 260 centimeter means 2 meter and 60 centimeter, because from our early class we learned that 100 centimeter is 1 meter. How much? 100 centimeter is 1 meter. So there are 200 centimeters. So 2 meter. And the remaining left there is 60. 200 plus 60 is 260. Okay. Then 200 centimeter is equal to 2 meter. 60 centimeter, there is no change for 60 centimeter because we cannot convert it into meter form. So 2 meter 60 centimeter is the perimeter of Kuttappan's paddy field. Okay. Look at this problem. Sticks and rectangles. There are three bunches of sticks are provided of length 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 10 centimeter. We need students are talking. We need 4 sticks to make a rectangle. There must be 2 pairs of the same length. We know the properties of a rectangle. See the rectangle Bashir made there. Side of 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Find the total length of all 4-sided sticks that Bashir used. When we add the all sides, we get 32. 6 plus 10 plus 6 plus 10, it is 32 centimeter. That is the perimeter of the rectangle there. See, the whole is saying sum of the 4 sides of a rectangle is its perimeter. Okay, perimeter of a rectangle is twice the sum of one of the pair of horizontal and vertical side. If we can add 6 plus 10, 16. 16 twice. 16 into 2, it is 32. Okay, that's why we can also find out the perimeter of a rectangle. Next one, perimeter of a square. Asha made a square with sticks of length 10 centimeter. Its perimeter is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. It's 40. Okay, 40 centimeter is its perimeter. The perimeter of a square is 4 times of the length of one of the sides. That's why we use 4 into 10 in order to find out 40 as our perimeter. Find the perimeter of these figures. This is your homework question. Here 4 figures are given. You want to find out the perimeter of these. And here also another for you. Find out these 2 figures perimeter. Okay.